Ikuni na-update dyan, Gutierrez and Jericho Rosales muling naispatan sa isang klinik. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back po muli sa aking YouTube channel. So for today's video update, ikuni na-update dyan, Gutierrez sa Jericho Rosales muling naispatan sa isang klinik. So ayan nga po ang kaganapan ng ikuni na naispatan na naman po silang magkasama sa isang clinic. Well, sabi nga ng ibang fans, well, ano kaya ang ginawa ng dalawa? Baka ano lang guys, nagpa-check lang ng health, ganon. Samantala, Jericho Rosales nagbahagi naman ng kanyang picture na bilang Quezon Power that insidious beast hashtag Quezon in cinema soon.
Viva la Philippines! Ay, Jericho Rosales, thank you.
Samantala, Janine Gutierrez tuloy-tuloy naman ang pagtitaping. So ayan nga ang kanyang naibahagi kahapon, day 19 with Mr. Sun. Samantala sa pag-guest naman ni Janine Gutierrez sa I Care sa Boracay na pagkamalang proposal na Echo. Janine Gutierrez says yes in Boracay and everyone thought it was a proposal. On May 1 Labor Day, as the sun kissed the crystal shores of Boracay and revelers filled the beachfront for Love Boracay. A striking parrow with orange sail silently stole the spotlight. It carried no passengers, only a powerful message that sparked gasps, laughs, and double takes. Janine Gutierrez said yes. Finally, Janine Gutierrez said yes. For many, it looked like a proposal, maybe even the proposal puti. Kala ko nag-propose na si Echo. One follower commented, echoing the sentiment of dozens more who were convinced that Janine's boyfriend had popped the question. Akala ko engaged na siya. My heart skipped a bit. Akala ko nag-propose na si Echo, fans exclaim in unison. Ayan nga, comment akala ko nag-propose na si Echo garnered several 60 likes, but this wasn't a romantic plot twist. This was something far more grounded and arguably just as life-changing. Saying yes to health, not just love. So ayan nga po guys, sa healthcare po nag-yes si Miss Janine Gutierrez, and sabi nga sa nag-share is ngayong June ata, mas more pang i-share si Miss Janine Gutierrez about the eye care. Well, abangan na lang natin yun. And that's it guys. If you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe again and again. See you on my next update for ikunin muling na ispatan sa isang clinic. Ingat!